finally finished redecorating my bedroom. I had my old bedroom furniture for quite a while, and it was very, very large and very dark wood, and I wanted to go with something just to brighten up the room, something with a little different look. Now my wallpaper is all hydrangeas in my bedroom, and it's been up for a long time, and honestly, I love it. The hubby put it up years ago, and it would be an awfully lot of work to take it down, so we're not going to. So this is the chest I bought, and I just love it. It has smaller drawers down the middle, larger ones on the bottom, and then there's two glass doors that open. I'll zoom in on them, one on each side, and then you open those, and there's three drawers behind it. And it's not pure white, it's sort of more like a cream color. And on the top of the dresser, I have some of my chains, and I thought this little arrangement with the hydrangeas was great. And over here, I have my melting pot, and I bought that little stand on Amazon to put on it. And here's a nice lamp. So I think you can get a view of it from this side. And it really tends to brighten up the entire room. On my wall, I have two little racks with hooks, and I know it looks like there's a lot of jewelry on there, and there is, but it's costume jewelry, so I'm not concerned to have it out like that. So I absolutely love this dresser, and I think it's really nice, and it goes perfect in the room. On the other side of the room, it's a fairly large room, there's a lingerie chest that we purchased as part of the bedroom set. And there's 5 drawers in that. And on the top, I have a little farmhouse style tray. And there's a little arrangement of hydrangeas. And that picture there, I'll try to get close on it. My grandson Lucas drew that for me. And he put it in the frame, and he gave it to me for my new bedroom. On the floor here, I have 3 little boxes. Let me zoom over into the corner. I had a few miscellaneous things that I didn't know exactly where to put. So I put these boxes, I stacked them in the corner. They have that little bit of a farmhouse look, and they were perfect for all my little incidentals. On the other side of the room is my vanity table. It did not come with the set, but I found it on Wayfair Furniture, and if you didn't know better, it matches the set perfectly. I have a magnifying mirror that lights up there. I have some lipsticks. My little jar with Q-tips says, "Wake up and make up." And over here I have some brushes and my Alexa. But let me see if I can put this camera down. It has a drawer on each side, one in the middle. Let me see if I can put the camera down and show you the special part that I love. I'll try to do this with one hand. In the center, above the drawer, it opens up. And woohoo, look at this. Let me open it for you. It's a big mirror and another place where you can put a lot of your makeup. And I have a lot of makeup in there, that's for sure. And let me open this drawer. My girlfriend came over and she said, "Dolores, do you think you have enough blushes?" I have everything very organized. I have lip glosses in here, and the other drawer has foundations. And I gotta tell you, This is wood, all wood. It's very heavy, and I absolutely love this vanity. The reason I have the curtains closed behind it is I have a very large picture window in my bedroom, and it gets the morning sun. So I had to put room darkening shade, room darkening curtain on that. Otherwise, I'd be up at the crack of dawn every day, and I'm not a morning person. And over here is the lingerie chest. I'll show you the bed in a few minutes. On the top of my dresser is this little, what looks like a perfume bottle, but one of the content creators on YouTube showed it, and it was an Amazon favorite, and it actually opens on the top and it becomes a little fan that you can, use to dry your makeup. And this is my little melting pot. And these hydrangeas, I thought maybe it would be too much for the room, but it's not. They just look so perfect. And don't worry, these are not 14 karat gold chains. These are mostly my costume jewelry chains. I put this on the top because I thought it blended in with everything, and I did not want to ruin my new bedroom furniture. I don't want to forget this. I sort of got a matching water bowl for Brownie. Her water and her food are downstairs, but she likes to hang out with me a lot in the bedroom, and she gets thirsty sometimes. So she has her own little water bowl there. Here's my bed over here on this wall, and I'm going to try to zoom in. There's a sign we hung above the bed that says love one another. I had it made many years ago by a sign maker. It weighs a ton, and I thought it would be a perfect place to put it. And I have two pillows. Let me zoom in. They blend in nice with the wallpaper. I didn't want to put anything fancy on the bed right now because it's summer, and with the busy wallpaper, I wanted something simple. I was really going for the look to brighten up my room. I should turn that light off. Hold on. Hopefully it's not too noisy in here. I have the ceiling fan on. But here's the nightstand here. And let me zoom in. This lamp was on display in the showroom, the furniture showroom, and I just fell in love with it. I thought it was so nice. It's like the cream color with a little brown on it. And I said, you know what? I'm buying this set. I'm going to buy the lamp too, which I did. And the end table even has a piece that slides out on the top. It's almost like a little serving tray or a desk. Now you wonder, what is that in the corner, that mess? No, it's not a mess. I have like a wrought iron, almost like a dress frame, and it must have hundreds of hooks on it. And I bought it years ago, and I hung jewelry on it, and it looks so cool. But now I decided, you know what? I'm going to put some of my purses on it. And I thought it was a perfect spot for it. I like it, and I didn't want to get rid of it. So there's some of my purses, and because they're visible and they're not tucked away, I have more of a tendency to use them. So this is my bedroom. I hope you like it. Now, my bedroom is rather large. I have two big closets here. And on the other side of the room, I have a stand with a TV. But I'm not going to show you that right now because I want to either paint that or get a new one. Let me see if I swing over here. See, now I'm filming into the light, but that's the big picture window. And from this side here, you can see the dresser. And then over here, the light is on, but we do have a bathroom off of our bedroom. And once I figure out what I'm doing with the TV, I'll show you that. But so far so good. Trust me, it was a lot of work. A lot of work to empty out all the old drawers, pack everything in boxes, figure out what I needed to use, and oh my goodness. So, let me turn off this light shining on my sign. Here we go here. That's the fan, and here's the light. Okay, so I don't know if wallpaper's really in now, but I absolutely love this. We put it up many years ago, and just the thought of taking it down in this size room would be like a nightmare. And I like it, so I decided to keep it up. So anyway, that's a little preview of my bedroom, and I'll show you more on the other side once I get that finished. So there you go. I hope you love it as much as I do. See you soon. Toodles!
Sleeping, are you?